Hello everyone, I'm Sweta here from Com Infosys. You might have checked out my website, and from there you got an idea. Like I have been doing lead generation, digital marketing, market research, and other marketing stuffs as well. Okay, so let me tell you about my works over here. So I'll tell you each and every of my work in a perfect example and all. So let me start with lead generation. How I'm doing the lead generation. So when it comes to lead generation, there are so many misconception about this, like what is the lead actually, like how to generate the lead. Some people are doing it like vigorously without thinking about it. Okay. So let me tell you what do you mean by the lead. Lead is a uh, like it's a business perspective. If you are talking about lead, it means that from where you are getting your business. Okay. So therefore lead has a great importance for your business. All right, so that's why lead is very much vital for your business, and getting a perfect lead is like a blessing, I can say. Okay. So let me tell you like how you can generate lead. What are the different ways of getting a lead? Okay. First one is you just need to first one is you just need to check it out, like different ways are there. First one, you just tell your friends or tell your family members. If you have anyone, you can tell them like if they have any contact, so that it's a kind of networking. You can say from your networking you will get your perfect lead. Then second one is uh, you can generate the lead from different freelancing sites like Upwork, or different website are there where you will get perfect lead for your business. Then third one is when it comes to different, it's a perfect professional kind of lead generation. So third one is it's all about LinkedIn lead generation, email marketing, contact fill up. You just go, you just search different website, and there you just need your fill the contact form over there. And fourth one is you just call to the people, cold calling and all, and ask them like whether they are looking for any service or not. So that is the fourth one. And fifth one is when it comes to when it's all has been done, then you are not getting any profit, then you can try for social media marketing for lead generation. So lead generation, there are many various ways are there to get to generate a lead. Even and along with that, you can also do certain things, like you can also create a page for yourself, or call to action page also. There are so many things actually needed for lead generation. Okay. So that is not the one point where actually it matters for a lead. So there are a couple of things that has been associate with this to generate a perfect lead. So when you are trying to get a perfect lead, or when your target customer is high ended customers, you should know how we can target to these people. They are not full. For an example, I am a person, I just want that my target customer is like a high ended customer, director, VP, CEO and all. So what I can do, if I'll just make my website and they just start sending them the connection request out, telling them like, okay, kindly just we are providing these other service and all. So why they will trust you? Why? Is there any reasons to be to trust them, to trust you? Is there? So in such scenario, what you can do for this? Okay. So first thing is, what you can do is, first of all, you just make your website in that way. That is the first and foremost thing, because website is creating a good impression in the mind of the customer that yes, this is a website they have been working perfectly. So you should have a functioning website, you should have a functioning social media, because as your customers are high ended customers, you are targeting high ended customers, you have to do in such a way as well, because you are asking them to get your service, you are not asking them to work for them. Okay. So therefore, as you are providing the service to these clients, you should make sure that your service, your look, or your positioning, or your branding prospect is too good to attract any kind of client. Okay. So that actually matters a lot. Sometimes people, what people think, they are just blindly go ahead with the lead generation, we are without thinking any second thought about their own branding perspective. So branding plays a big role when it comes to lead generation and when it comes to targeting the high-ended clients. Okay, if I'm talking about generating lead from Upwork, people will get know from your work only. When you are talking about freelancing.com, Upwork, or any freelancer, that people will get know from you only because from your work. And when it comes to networking, people will know about your past performance or your work and all, because people they know you from any reference. But when it comes to business, when you're targeting someone else whom you don't know before, and they're like very high-ended customers, at that time you need to do some kind of branding, you need to invest some kind of money for your branding, so that you will get a good number of customers, because you are a person who is providing them service and they are purchasing the service. So before purchasing the service, they surely go ahead with the research kind of work. They will surely go ahead with searching about your website, checking your social media, checking each and everything. Then when they feel like, oh, okay, this website, this company is providing very good service, and surely I'll go ahead with this company. So in such scenario, you can go ahead with that. Okay, so that's why I'm saying why it is important to have a good branding before moving ahead targeting any company, because this actually talks about you. This actually talks about your brand. So therefore, branding is very much important when you are targeting to a customer, to a high-ended customers. Okay, because lead generation plays a different to play a different role for different clients. If I'm talking about e-commerce industry, or any kind of healthcare industry, or any kind of industry, the lead generation is something different. I have to strategize in a different way. If I'm talking about like e-commerce industry, so how can I go ahead with the lead generation, because lead can be any generic customers. So what I can do, I'll just put my product in different e-commerce sites, just like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal. There are so many ways, there are so many sites are there where I can open my account over there, and I can place my product, and there I can place my product. Along with that, my SEO strategy, my review strategy, everything should be very perfect, so that I will get a perfect lead. Because whenever any customers check it out over there, what is the first thing customers actually check? They actually go for high number customer review. That is the very most important point over there. So likewise, you should spend some money on this. So every every clients, or every project, or every company, or every service has their own different kind of branding strategy, own different kind of lead generation strategy, because that is totally depends on their uh, customers. Because if your customers is a high ended customers, you need to go ahead with that way. When it comes to your customer is generic customer, you should know like where your customer landed to, so that you can make your those like where your customer is checking out those website, or where your customer is landing there, you just make it very perfect, so that your customers you will grab your customers attention. So that way you can think about when it comes to your product, when it comes to think about a service, you should know where your customer actually landed, where your customer actually focusing. First research on this, first you get know about it, like who is your target customers. Before knowing your target customer, without knowing your target customer, you can't go ahead with that, even though you are too good in a product in your. But still, if you don't know who is your target customers, how to targeting them, so you can't go ahead with that. All right, so this is the second most thing I'll just discuss about each and every service, each and every industry, how they can go ahead with that, their lead generation process. So now in this session, I'll tell you how to do the LinkedIn lead generation. So for that, I'll share my screen with you so that you can get an idea like how to do the lead generation, how Com Infosys work on this, how we are working on this, so that you will get in clarity on that. So how we are actually working on this. All right, So let me show you my screen so that you will get a clarity on this. So before moving ahead, I'll just show you, this is like my slide. You can check it out over here. Okay. So in this session, you will get in clarity over this, that if you just look into this, you will get in here. Yeah. So this is the data mining part. You can see over this, and this is all about the lead generation, 500 to 700 leads for 200 extra exact leads, because 500 to 700 leads I'll provide to you, and 200 is the exact leads as per the number of data. Okay, this is for 5 hours, this is for 3 days, this is for 7 days, this is for monthly. So likewise I'll go ahead with this. Okay, so this is will be the monthly package you are paying to me for this. Okay, so this is how I'm working. So let me tell you about my lead generation process. Okay, so see, when it comes to lead, okay, so I open this sales navigator over here, let me tell you like how I'm working on this. All right, I just open the sales navigator. So I reach to the home page over here. This is the lead list I have. Okay, so this is the lead list. What I can do over this, you can see there are in lead list there are three things. Okay, I have make account list is there, and account list and lead list. When it comes to lead list, I have proper lead list as per the place. Okay, I have like keep my lead list as per the place. Okay, I'm targeting Texas and like hospitality industry in Atlanta goes Garcia, and like this is for finance and all. So likewise I have certain lead list over here, I'm targeting to this. So what I can do, I will add the people over here. So once they accept the request, I'll send them the messages to as per their industry wise. So my point is, so when it comes to lead, okay, so these are the things you need to do it. Okay, so search, if I'm talking about self search, I have also couple of self search, and I'm doing in extensive ways as well. Okay, I have used also the keywords over this. You can see the keywords over there, how I'm targeting to this. This is the keyword, this is for sections of what are the keywords I have used. Along with that, the geography, when it comes to which industry I'm looking for, company headcount, director, owner, VP. So when it comes to that, at that time when I'm sending them the request, I'm sending them the introduction request as well. Okay, so this is the ways how I'm doing the lead generation. Then second most important thing is whom we are targeting. Okay, so let me show you my messages as well, like who are my target customers. Okay, so when it comes to target customers, most of my target customers are CEO or VP or director. Okay, just like if you see about this person, okay, first of all I send him a message. Okay, before that I then this is the follow-up message. Then after that he just reply me in this way: thank you, I'll let you know if I need it. Okay, thank you. Okay, so when it comes to like this person, you can see he is into CEO, he is into CEO and taxes. Okay, so likewise what I'm doing, so per day I can do I'll give you the all the list, all the people list like in this way. Okay, so what I can do, this will be the final, this will be the master database where I can give you the keywords. Okay, so here you can see like whatever the keywords I have been used over this, you can check it out. Like these are as per the keywords, I'll put all the keywords over here. Okay, then after that I'll put the brand name, this is contact name, first name, last name, designation, their seniority level, email ID, and their phone number, address, and this. Okay, so when it comes to email and phone number, once they've been connected, then only I can generate all the things. Okay, so or else what I can do, there are also many different ways are there. There are also many software also there where I can generate their leads, their email ID and phone number. Okay, so this is how I can do for this. Okay, and final mining set, this will be the master data set database. Okay, so where I will just make it as per your requirement. If you are looking, if you are targeting to IT, or any kind of just generic. So as per that I can give it to you. For an example, if you are targeting is if your target customer is for mechanical or something different, then as per that I can put it in that way. You can see like all the people who are into IT or engineering, they're over here. When it comes to panel mining, okay, as per the requirement, the keyword is more specific over here. Okay, the keyword is very specific as per your requirement. You can share your product, your service, what is your product or service. Based on that I can segregate them. I can make a list of this keywords. I can make them as per the requirement, and I can place accordingly and send it to you. Or all right. So likewise, then after that, as per that, you can get it done. Okay. So this is totally it's a two-way process. Like, you need to tell me, you need to be very transparent about your product or service which you are providing, so that I can give you the service which you are looking for. I'll give you the master database where all the data are available. In the same time, I'll give you another sheet where all the kind of that is totally perfectly from the like as per your requirement. Why? So why I'm giving you the master database over here? Sometimes targeting to the specific client is not that much easy. Okay, so that's why when you have the master database, what you can do, you can once you finish with this contacts, what you can do, you can target to the master database from that company. So when you get the details about that person, that company, what you can do after this, you can target to this, you can talk with them, and you can ask them for the reference. You can tell them that okay, can I just get a contact email ID of Prachi Kumar or anything, anyone like that. Okay, so you just need to ask them like if they have a reference, so that they can give it to you. Okay, so likewise, if you can't, like if it's not that much easy to connect with the exact prospect, at least from the master database you can get the reference from them, from for these people. Okay, so therefore, for as per the lead generation, what I can give you, I can give you all the database, all the things which you are looking for, so that you can get it done by yourself. Okay, so these are the thing I can do for you. I'll give you all the data, all the list if possible. Then I can send you the messages. I'll do the follow-up messages as well. All the things I can do you, but make sure that you are giving me the content for that, and you are giving me the content and follow-up messages, all the content point to me. Because the thing is, I don't have much idea about the writing the perfect content as per your requirement. You just need to give me the content accordingly, so that I can send it to the client as per your requirement. Just like I can show you per day how I'm sending the request. Okay, withdraw messages. All right, from this you'll just you can see like how many messages I'm how many connection requests I'm sending per day. You can see you can validate from here itself. Okay, and then you can see the all the messages over here. So from there will be no any kind of, like, you can see like, yeah, see, this is like all the messages has been sent from here, and you'll get in clarity on that. Okay, fine, all right, this is how I'm sending the request to these people. Okay, so likewise, what I can do, I'll just send you all the requests, and I'll do all this, all such kind of steps. There will be no any kind of mistakes in writing this step, writing this, the means doing this steps in a wrong way. So you will get a very perfect result from my end, that's for sure. But make sure that you are also giving me that much amount of money as per the requirement, because the thing is I am charging bit high for this. So like, as this is all about the lead generation, first of all I'll just do one thing. I'll just once I generate the lead about these people, once like within 3 to 4 hours, I can I can review one complete company, and I can send you this final mining sheet. Okay, so within 3 hours I can do this for you. Then after that, what your role is, you just need to check it out once again as a client. You just need to check it out whether I'm like I have positioning your brand perfectly or not. As per that, you can send me the messages, the if you want, you can go ahead with the like sales perspective, or else if you want me to do this, then it's completely fine, I can do that from my end as well. What I can do, I can send them the LinkedIn messages to these people as per their keywords, as per the specific messages, because I always believe that content play a big role, big vital role for any kind of lead generation. So you just need to make your customized message for each and every clients, and you just need to send them the message accordingly. Because if the person is totally into like connected home or security, and also you just need to message him, message the person is all about connected home and what are the services which you are providing, so that the client will be more interested to know about it. So if you just send him a generic message, the person may not be interested to go ahead with this, because this is something very generic. The person will say, okay, this is just a automated kind of messages. Okay, so don't do like this. Okay, so in such scenario, you just need to send me the message, the content, or what need to be changed for as per the keyword. You can send me those things, so that I can send messages to these people. Once I get any reply or through the LinkedIn, I can send it to you. Then email marketing, you can do it from your end, and this phone number also you can try from your end as well. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Okay, this is how I'm doing my lead generation part. So if you have any doubt on this, if you have any like any question regarding to this, you can ask me anytime. So in this session, I just in this session I'll just try to tell you about the LinkedIn lead generation, how I'm doing. So I hope you all get it, like how I'm doing the LinkedIn lead generation. Please have a look into this video. If you have any question, please feel free to share with me, so that I will get an idea on this as well. Okay, thank you all.